Hi everyone, my name is Evelyn. Today I'll be showing you how you can make wheat fufu in your microwave. So here I have some room temperature water, my wheat flour, my measuring spoon and my spatula. I'll start by pouring in my flour into the water, and you're going to do this a little at a time. Once you pour in a little, you stir. This is so you get a perfect consistency. The consistency we're looking for is not so loose and not so thick, somewhere in between. Once you get the right consistency, you just keep mixing to remove any lumps that may have formed, making sure your mixture is very smooth. And when you're done, you cover with the lid, and we're going to place this in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Make sure you're using a microwave safe bowl. After 5 minutes, this is how our wheat fufu is looking. I'm going to take my spatula and start mixing. I'll stir continuously until it begins to curdle. While you're doing this, you'll notice that it gets darker, but this is perfectly fine. You'll just keep stirring to remove any lumps until everything is perfectly combined. If you're still watching up to this point and haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I would love to have you here. And my fufu is all done now. The next thing I'll do is to transfer it into a plastic wrap. And this is just to make it look nice, smooth and presentable. And this also helps lock in heat to keep it hot until you're ready to eat. When you're done wrapping, you serve your fufu with any soup of your choice. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more recipes, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.